Push out brake pins with brake pads pin tool.
First, what you want to do is get you a pick and push in each pin that is holding the brakes in the caliper. Push down on this brake clip and you can remove the pins easier.
Pop out brake clip.
Use a flathead screwdriver to pop out the brake clip.
Push back the caliper piston.
I used the flathead screwdriver and got it behind the brake pads and pushed in the caliper pistons.
Slide out and replace brake pads.
After pushing in the pistons, the brakes can easily just be removed and replaced one by one.
Reverse the process and pump your brakes.
Now just put everything back in order and you're all done.